Nagabenta ki kubor baman kasi pet subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ki arngur ki kertong na kaseng All India Trinamool Congress u Zenit Sangma ringkat u kertong na kaseng Congress u saleng e Sangma. Kilalet ban pendep ya gajing tap board ka jongki hagani kasngi hala ki jongki polling station. Hai ka jing tap vote ka jongki kilaya thuo bahadin bala tap vote ki kermen ban wan pai da ka jing job badan buram bat ban pendep ya ki kam badang sa.
Other candidates like Saleng Sangma and Agatha Sangma, how do you feel they are, how tough they are?
It's been the response of the people. We have seen it's a mixed response in almost all the parts of the Garonis.
How do you think that you'll be getting the people's mandate 100%?
See, election is, although it is unpredictable, but then from the response what we have seen, we are confident and people are reposing their faith in the leadership of Dr. Mukul Sharma and hopefully will sail through. See, this election is election, so it's been a tough fight, but we have the edge. We are confident that we'll win because there has been massive erosion from the NPP and from that co-chair of NPP it has come to TMC as well as to Congress also.
So how's the fight between you and of Garo Hills?
And what is the takeaway of this election? What do you think has been the best thing that has happened for this election? It's a free and fair election. Everyone has wanted that to happen. It has been India's record for having free and fair elections. And you have cast your vote. There are a lot of people all around. Are you optimistic of the results?
Yeah, very much actually. Since we have already made people aware about their rights and then the dominance by the other side. So if the people can come out, from their slumber about how it has been doing for a very very long time, and moreover, we try to make the best for the people by making them aware of what is happening around, and then about the developmental things also, and about the situation that is going on within India.
How has been the turnout? Because it is almost touching 50% over here in your own area where the polling station we are right now standing outside, and all over Galus the percentage has been rising. Is it a favorable response that you are looking at?
Yeah, I think so. I think there people enthusiastic right now coming to vote is maybe they really need a change. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out to vote right now. And then moreover, I didn't see much voters turning out, especially for this Lok Sabha election. But this times, it seems like people are more eager and then enthusiastic for the voting.
And you believe this high turnout is favorable for your candidature?
If God willing. Maybe, maybe not. You can't say because, but I believe in him actually. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out and then trying to reveal what really they wanted also.
All right. Ongayama, we'll take in Garu now.